whenever we get new kid, we always skeptical whether they fit or not. But it fits well. My I-League team also has Puma, so it was easy to give the sizes. Really happy with the kit, man.
You're happy with the kit, the socks and all, and the shorts not too long, not too short. You won't have a problem unleashing those deadly volleys and drives.
No, not at all. No excuses there. I think the jersey fits really well. The shorts are perfect. Really happy. I play for the national team, jersey blue. I play for Mumbai City FC, jersey blue. I play for Bangalore FC, jersey blue. So I'm not complaining.
Listen, you are India's all-time highest goal scorer playing for the national team. So we have very high expectations of you here in Mumbai, don't we?
I just want to say I'll give my best. I'll give my everything that I have. I'm enjoying Mumbai. I've never played here before. I've always come to play away games only when Mahindra was in I-League or when Mumbai FC used to play here. This is the first time I'm going to live in Bombay and play for a Bombay team. I don't know if I have to say Bombay or Mumbai, but whatever you like. Really happy to be here.
You keep scoring goals for us and you keep playing as you do, Sunil. No matter what you call us, we'll embrace you. We'll make you a Mumbaikar. That's what we will do. But tell us one more question before I speak to Andre, and we have to chat with him too. You are going to play with somebody who's an inspiration for many. And you wonder, I'm going to play with this guy. He's also going to be my manager come coach. Your thoughts on partnering Nicholas Anelka?
I just told him that I'm a big fan. Met him in the morning. Seriously, I'm really, really big fan. I've been watching him, seen him scoring so many goals for so many different teams. But to be honest, it's more about understanding what he wants as a coach. For me, it's more about what to understand what the other teammates want. Because we all know, individuals never win games. For us, it's very, very important that we come together as a team and be a better team. And that's going to help us. That's going to help Mumbai City FC.
True. Now, we've seen the tall and short of it. Please don't mind my saying that, but the kit looks good on all it fits all sizes. That's what I wanted to say. Sunil, I'm going to get you to chat with Nicholas Anelka in just a bit because we'll change the brief. But first, to the man who scored the only hat-trick last season, how many are you going to score this time, brother?
Thank you very much. First of all, I'm really happy to be back.
We are happy to have you back.
Thank you. I'll score as much as I can. I'll do my best, as Sunil said. Really, really pleased to be here. Really pleased to be back. So I'll do my best. And be looking forward for it.
True. Is this kit, is this T-shirt hiding your tattoo outreach?
Yes.
Irrespective of which month of the year, when you play in Mumbai, you're going to sweat. Yeah. So you feel this is going to last all of that, and it's going to carry you through those 90 minutes.
It feels like it will. It will be helpful.
It feels like it will.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Put your hands together for Andre Moritz and Sunil Chhetri. I'm going to drag back Sunil in just a bit, but first, thank you, boys. Let me just call on. Challenge?
Yes, of course. It's going to be tough because it's not easy. When you are a player, you wake up in the morning and you train. But when you are a manager,
you don't sleep
wake
at
up
night
earlier and you finish later. So it's going to be tough. But we did, I think, a big squad, a good squad, and we hope to do well.
You like the blue?
I like the blue. I used to wear blue with the national team and also with Chelsea, so look good.
So the blue continues. You did well with the national team. You did well with Chelsea, so this should bring you better luck.
Hope so.
Now, what's your goal for this? Have you set yourself a goal for this season?
Myself.
No, for yourself and for the team?
For the team. Like I said, we have a better team. We want to do a better season, so we hope to win more games and to finish in the last, the top 4 to the semi minimum. We hope. I think we did a squad to win the ISL, and I hope we will do it.
We want you to win the ISL for Mumbai City. That's the clarion call here, and let's hope that in this new. You like the feel of the kit?
Yeah, it's very much. And as usual, Puma always product a very good quality of kit. And I'm happy with the Puma, with Mumbai FC.
So, you're happy with the team, Mumbai City? What's going to happen this year around? this season?
Team looks very good, and we can't guarantee you that we are going to be champion, but I can guarantee you one thing: we can show you good performance.
Boys?
No, actually, I just played one game where Moritz wasn't there, Sunil wasn't there, Subrata, and Nick hadn't come that time. But I always believe that I'm a decent football player, and I used to always show off that mujhe football aata hai, and now I own a team and stuff. But you really get a reality check when you play with these guys. I mean, what you see on TV and stuff may seem is really simple, but when you play with them, you understand the kind of discipline, the kind of respect, the kind of talent that these people have, and I just feel like a complete honor and complete gratitude actually that I got to share the field with
Well,
them.
I must tell you something. There are some of the other team members also in backstage. There seems to be a nice vibe. There seems to be a nice energy already around the team. You feel that's critical? That's important?
Absolutely, I think that's the most important. We have 4 great superstars here, who people can look up to, the team players can look up to. We have the young budding superstars. And I think we all at Mumbai City Football Club, not just us, the people who are involved, but also the fans, the people of Mumbai City, all we expect is, respect, humility, hard work, discipline, passion, and of course the most important, victory. And I think this year we're going to get all of that.
As you walked in, you seem to know a lot of the guys at Puma. So how involved have you been in choosing the color, design?
Yeah, I think these are things that you can enjoy being an owner. I don't have much participation in the technical side. I think I would like to give all the credit to Nishant and Oscar. But I think stuff like choosing your jersey, the colors, the fit, the design, that's something which will go for a long time. The fans will enjoy. We hope we'll progress to different designs and better colors and different models of the same design.
You chose the blue?
Yes, I did. The blue, the red going across. I think the red going across was just because, it's like a heartbeat sign. So there has been a little bit of detailing behind it, but I'm really happy with what Puma has done. It's really comfortable. There's a stretch material. It looks great. It has a slim fit, to the players. And I think it's going to look awesome on TV.
No, because I'm asking you as an owner, because you got involved, what is it that you thought your players and your team should feel when they wear these colors? Yes, Puma is kitting the players, but you say that you chose the colors, you chose the design. What is it that you wanted them to feel as they walked out?
I think just a sense, not just because of the color. I mean, they have to feel a sense of pride and ownership towards the team, because it's their team. They are the people who are going to win it for us. And I guess this year, just like Puma, we're going to be stronger and faster. And that's all we expect from our players.
True, absolutely. One more question, Ranbir. Last season, after you finished 2014, did you think, oh my God, what have I done? Or did you say, all right, let's sit down and say, what do we need to do next?
Well, I think it was a mix of both. I've never felt, that kind of failure. Of course, a lot of my movies have not done well. My last one being a huge disaster. But the kind of feeling that I got after last season was bigger than that. I think sports makes you feel that, I mean, when you support a team and your team doesn't come through, you really feel dejected. But I think the entire technical team, we went immediately back to work. We spoke with Subrata, Nicholas, and Moritz at the end of the season. We took their feedback, what they thought worked, what they thought didn't work. We went back to, the drawing board, and we really tried to put up a better team this time. But like I said, all these are technical things that we can do on paper and put up a good team. But now it's all up to them. And it's all up to the fans. All we have to do is support them, cheer them, and, lead them to victory.
True. Yeah. You literally broke the bank to sign on this guy, who's standing right next to you. It is one of the big marquee signings of this year's auction. What is it that you told him the first chat you had? Dude, I've paid you so much money. You
Not
better
at
score
all.
goals for
Actually,
me? Did you say
it was the biggest surprise. And we really didn't expect it, because I think every team who was there bidding for Sunil, everybody thought, okay, this guy is not achievable, so let's not really fight too much. And we were really lucky to have got him. I know Sunil on a personal level for many years. We've done some events together, some charity events. We've played soccer together. So I was really glad to have him, not because of the level of football player that he is, that we all know. He is one of the best football players that India has ever produced. But I think he's a great guy. And I think he's someone who will play for the team. He's somebody who the young stars will look up to. and we couldn't have got a better signing than Sunil.
Well, you spoke about Nicholas and Subrata. Andre Moritz, the hat-trick that he scored at DY Patil, you know, the only hat-trick of the season, the final, you know, victory against Pune, and your opening game is away on the 5th of October against Pune. So what is your brief?
Absolutely, we only expect a double hat-trick this time. Like I said, you know, we never expected Andre to do that. And I was there at the stadium, and just to see him, he was like a butterfly. You know, he was just flying, and he was kicking the ball, and you know, he had Pune on the back of his hand, and I expect the same this season also.
That's a strong message that's come forth. Your message to the fans, because the players are there, they will do their work on the field, but there is a strong force which comes to the stadiums to cheer your team on. And it's a growing list of fans. What's your message to them ahead of the season?
I think first is just a big thank you, you know, for all the support जो आपने दिखाया है टीम के तरफ. And I think इस साल हमने टीम तो अच्छी बनाई है, players सब अच्छे हैं, but it is not possible without you guys. So if you guys are there at the stadium cheering your players, you know, if you're there behind them, supporting them, I think that's what is going to create the fire in the stomach and the desire to victory. So please come to the stadium, you know, to DY Patil. Please cheer your team, and we promise you, like Nicholas said, top 4 this time. I promise you victory this time.
Yeah. Now, so do we have some Mumbai City converts here already who are ready to back this team in season 2015? Put your hands up, please. Let's see a show of hands. I know there are a lot of Mumbai City fans already and a few more there. Now, because we have all the stars here on stage.
I don't think I would have expected him to get so involved, you know, the year around. I think he, Nishant, Oscar, Arjun, Neil, everyone, you know, on the technical side of the team really have worked really hard to put this team together. But like I said, you know, it's now up to them, it's up to the fans, so let's see how ready they are.
Well, I'm just going to ask Andre quickly before I get them to do a drill and we'll test your players out. Andre, when you came out for the opening game or when you came out at the DY Patil Stadium, did you expect 20,000 people? Did you expect to see so many people in the stands?
Actually, I didn't, because the first thing I heard about sports in India was the cricket, you know. So I arrived one day before the season starts, and then I played one game against Atletico Kolkata. We came back and we played the game against Pune, home. I was amazed. I mean, it was incredible, the support that they gave it to us. So we really, really expect that the fans will come every game, and it's going.
जो stars है, which are the islands.
डेफिनेट अरे और अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आपने कहा था
Yeah.
कि आपकी पिछली फिल्म थी इट वाज अ डिजास्टर यू कुड से अ फ्लॉप जब भी हम फिल्मों की बात कर रहे थे वी ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट टीम वर्क स्पोर्ट्स में डेफिनेटली टीम वर्क होता है और स्पोर्टिंगली लेते हैं पर यहाँ पर क्या आप अगर फिल्म फ्लॉप हुई तो उसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कितनी आप अपने पर लेते हो
नहीं आई थिंक क्योंकि एक एक्टर को बहुत क्रेडिट दिया जाता है जब उसकी फिल्म हिट होती है जब मेरी फिल्म हिट हुई है तो मुझे बहुत प्यार दिया गया है एंड आई थिंक जब मेरी फिल्म नहीं चलती तो उसका भी श्रेय मुझे ही आना चाहिए मुझे ही क्रिटिसिज्म आना चाहिए क्योंकि ये मेरी चॉइस थी मैंने इस पर काम किया ऑडियंस मुझ पर विश्वास रख के वो थिएटर आई देखने के लिए उनको पसंद नहीं आया तो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप उसका जो नतीजा होता है फिल्म का वो आप अपने ऊपर भी लो एंड इट्स लाइक आई सेड इट्स अ टीम वर्क इट्स द डायरेक्टर इट्स द एक्टर इट्स द प्रोड्यूसर म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर एक सबका एक टीम वर्क जब रंग लाती है तब एक फिल्म अच्छी होती है
रणबीर
Right.
आलोक फ्रॉम OAFM
हाय
सवाल ये कि संडे को आप अक्सर खेलते हैं फुटबॉल बैंड्रा के ग्राउंड में तो उसमें बताएं कि इंडस्ट्री में कौन बेहतर फुटबॉल खेलता है क्योंकि आपका ग्रुप हमने देखा है तस्वीरों में
जी आई थिंक इंडस्ट्री से बहुत लोग खेलते हैं अभिषेक बच्चन खेलते हैं अर्जुन कपूर वरुण धवन कभी आते हैं डीनो मोरिया लिएंडर पेस कभी आते हैं मार्क रॉबिन्सन शाबिर आलूवालिया और बहुत सारे जिनके नाम है अभी मुझे याद नहीं आ रहे बट आई थिंक इन माय हम्बल ओपिनियन मेरा ये मानना है कि मैं सबसे बेस्ट प्लेयर हूँ इंडस्ट्री में जो भी खेलते हैं बट मैंने सुना है कि शाहरुख खान सर बहुत अच्छा खेलते हैं कभी उनके साथ खेला नहीं है जॉन इब्राहिम स्कूल के कप्तान थे उनके साथ भी नहीं खेला है बट अभी फिलहाल जो भी खेल रहे हैं उनमें से मैं बेस्ट हूँ
हार और जीत को कैसे लेते हैं आप
अच्छी तरह लेता हूँ बहुत ज़रूरी होता है एन एक्टर अ स्पोर्ट्समैन टू वेरी ग्रेशियसली एक्सेप्ट लॉस एज वेल एज सक्सेस एंड आई थिंक इवन जहाँ स्पोर्ट्स का सवाल है जहाँ फुटबॉल का सवाल है आई डोंट बिलीव हाउ अ बिग फुटबॉल सुपरस्टार कैन नॉट हैव ह्यूमिलिटी इन हिम आई थिंक अक्सर जब सक्सेस हम पाते हैं तो थोड़ा होश खो बैठते हैं थोड़ा दिमाग फिर जाता है बट आई थिंक फॉर एनी स्पोर्ट्स स्टार एनी फिल्म एक्टर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि ह्यूमिलिटी अच्छाई I think that is an artist or a sportsman's greatest virtue.
And perhaps why failures also work as a great leveler because it also brings you back to ground level and say, all right, this is who I am. So I'll have my string of hits and I'll have my string of failures. It's the same case in terms of performance on the field. But next question, please.
Over here, yeah, Ranbir.
Yes.
It's really absolutely great to see a rock star like you coming up for supporting football, which happens to be one of the most popular game in the world. On a final note, I would like to mention, is it like that, are you on a mission to find Diego Maradona or Lionel Messi on the Indian football arena?
Of course, I think football is a sleeping giant, especially in this country. And we want eventually, after 5 years, 10 years, to actually see the Indian national team play for the World Cup and one day finally pick up the trophy. So we have our Maradonas, we have our Peles, we have our Messis, and I'm sure that in this season or the next season, you will see your own domestic superstar, either from Mumbai City or Kerala or Chennai, and you'll finally see, okay, this is the guy, who I will support. His number I'll wear on my jersey and not Messi or Ronaldinho. I think that's important.
Well, there are a string of players waiting to do well for the Indian football team, and that's what we need to first find, whether we can find good talent that would represent the Indian team. This gentleman's question, then the gentleman there in the blue t-shirt, and then, sir, your question. And sir, I'll come to you. I'll come to you after that.
I Ranbir Vijay here.
Yeah, please keep your questions short and towards football and sports, please. Thank you.
I just wanted to know that you have selected Goa for your pre-session.
Not Goa, sir,
Dubai.
Dubai.
No,
जा
no,
रहे हैं, sir.
Dubai. But that's what why Dubai you have selected. Why didn't you choose
Let
Soccer?
I'll let Neil
Neil
answer.
that. Yeah.
We factored in a lot of.
Why don't you guys come to the center a bit, please, if you don't mind? Yeah, go ahead.
So we did a lot of research. We factored a lot of considerations. We picked Dubai over anything else. One, because infrastructure.
First,
Hi.
here. So basically, in the IPL, you see owners always going, giving pep talks, this, that. But there's always in football, there's always this conflict between the owner and the manager. Managers want freedom. What sort of an owner are you going to be? Are you going to
I
go
think,
talk to the team, or are you going to be?
No, I think the tag that I've got is of a co-owner, but I think I would rather be a fan than an owner. I don't know the technical sides of football. I play football myself, but I have not mastered for me to tell players of this talent and this caliber what to do and what not to do. I can give them a little bit of a pep talk in a sense, as well as probably you would do because you're a fan. But that is it. I would rather be a fan of this club than an acting owner of the club.
Ranbir here.
but he would also want the feeling at the end of the season that it was money well spent. And that is but natural. And let's hope this season it surely happens, Ranbir. Absolutely. Yes, sir.
Ranbir here.
Sir, I'll come to you after.
I'm Rajinder Singh from Makarana Magazine.
सत श्री अकाल भाजी.
सत श्री अकाल जी. रणबीर जी, आपके हिसाब से एग्रेसिव गेम क्या होती है? क्या आपके प्लेयर एग्रेसिव गेम खेलेंगे ग्राउंड पे?
बिल्कुल पाजी, आई थिंक अग्रेसिव गेम खेलना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. आप हल गए तो खेल नहीं सकते, तो जो आपके जो अपोनेंट है वो बाजी मार लेंगे. तो एक अग्रेशन का भी एक लिमिट होता है, एक औकात होती है. यू कैन नॉट क्रॉस दैट. यू हैव टू हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ जो आप एक अपने ओपोनेंट को जो स्केयर करते हो, बट नॉट इन अ बैड वे. आई थिंक जो भी स्पोर्ट्समैन के बीच में जो होता है, जो हम क्रिकेट फील्ड में अक्सर देखा करते हैं, या मैं फुटबॉल जब भी देखता हूँ, तो उनके बीच में एक टेंशन होती है. एंड आई थिंक वो फ्रेंडली टेंशन वो गेम के बाद शायद दे फ्रेंड्स हो, बट आई थिंक पिच पर दे आर प्लेइंग फॉर देयर क्लब, दे आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग देयर क्लब, देयर कंट्री. तो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि जो अग्रेशन होता है, सनी देओल वाला नहीं, लेकिन जो रोनाल्डो वाला अग्रेशन है वो अच्छा होता है.
Well, yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sirs. I'm not a player, a little offbeat. You may answer or as you wish. Have the players ever thought to compare or discompare rugby with football?
No, sir. I haven't really come across anybody comparing that to me. Rugby is something which is less popular than football is in this country. I was actually playing football at Bombay Gymkhana last night, and they have a very good rugby team, and they've have had that since so many years. But it's a very complicated sport. I think it'll take time for the country to understand. I think this is a giant step, for people to understand football and start liking it. And I think we're concentrating on that.
Well, last two questions. So, yes.
हॉलीवुड में और वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में फुटबॉल
आवाज नहीं आ रही. नहीं, आप थोड़ा नजदीक.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलिए बस. थोड़ा.
हेलो.
या.
हेलो.
वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में या हॉलीवुड में फुटबॉल रिलेटेड फिल्म में काम करना चाहेंगे, और वो डायरेक्टर कौन होगा? और दूसरा सवाल ये कि आपका फिटनेस रेजिम क्या होता है फिट रहने के लिए, और डाइट प्लान क्या होता है?
जो पहला सवाल है, ऑफ कोर्स एक फुटबॉल पर जब फिल्म बनेगी बहुत बेहतरीन बनेगी, बट आई थिंक उसके पीछे बहुत ज़रूरी बात ये होती है कि वो फिल्म की कहानी बहुत अच्छी हो. सिर्फ फुटबॉल को लेकर हम फिल्म नहीं बना सकते. अगर कहानी अच्छी है, अगर किरदार अच्छा है, अगर वो कहानी कुछ बता रहा है आपको एज एन ऑडियंस, आई थिंक वो ज़रूरी होता है. और अगर जहाँ फिटनेस का सवाल है मेरा, क्योंकि मैं एक्टर हूँ और एक विजुअल मीडियम में हूँ, तो करना पड़ता है. जो वहाँ बैठे हैं, एंथनी, वो मेरे ट्रेनर हैं. वो बड़े सख्त तरीके से मुझे जिम पर घसीट के लेके जाते हैं. तो 1 घंटा मैं वर्कआउट करता हूँ, हफ्ते में 2 बार फुटबॉल खेलता हूँ. आई थिंक मेरे लिए नहीं, सबके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि हम फिट रहें. हम एक स्पोर्ट के लिए, आई थिंक स्पोर्ट हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाता है. और जहाँ फुटबॉल का सवाल है, जहाँ टीम स्पिरिट हो, रिस्पेक्ट हो, ट्रस्ट हो, आई थिंक जस्ट टू पिक अ स्पोर्ट एंड टू प्ले इट वंस अ वीक, आई थिंक सबके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है.
Well, it's a nice screenplay or a story idea, isn't it? A rising talent out of Maharashtra or B. Let's have it in real life, and then we'll take it into real as an idea. Yes, go ahead, please. Last question. Yeah.
रणवीर, अभी आप फिल्मों की बात,
Well,
जहाँ पे आप और दीपिका मौजूद
no,
थी, लेकिन
excuse
खबर थी
me.
कि कटरीना
I'm
वहाँ पर-
sorry.
Let him
No.
decide. Let him decide,
No.
please.
I have decided, and I'm calling the shots right now, ma'am. And I told you very clearly, questions on sports is what I would like to entertain.
मैं आपको बताता हूँ.
Yeah.
रणवीर,
Yes.
अभिषेक, आपसे मेरा एक सवाल है कि and I'm sure there are other teams. ISL to this year will be at least couple of notches above last
team as well.
Of course, I hope that she's free at that time and she has the dates. I would love not just me, but everybody in Mumbai would love to see her support Mumbai. So I'll expect that from her this year.
So
Did she love the jersey?
Yes, she did actually very much. Do you love the jersey?
It's really good.
Thank you.
रणबीर, कैटरीना को गेम में कितना इंटरेस्ट है? आपसे कभी फुटबॉल को लेके डिस्कशंस
Ma'am,
होती है?
उसको बहुत इंटरेस्ट है. मैं एक्चुअली मुंबई सिटी से पहले बार्सिलोना का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन था, तो मैं उनको बहुत पकाता हूँ बार्सिलोना के बारे में. बट आई थिंक ओवर द इयर्स शी इज़ अंडरस्टूड द गेम. उन्होंने लास्ट ईयर भी बहुत सब सारे जो मैचेस थे टीवी पर देखे, तो समझ तो है. बट आई थिंक डिसअपॉइंटमेंट था क्योंकि मुंबई केम इन द बॉटम 4, इट डिडंट कम इन द टॉप 4. बट आई होप कि दिस वी कैन इम्प्रेस हर.
One of the longest consistent Barcelona support.
Not at all. I think as long as the team is managed well, as long as there is a strategy, as long as there is an idea of how you want to use your players, and I think Nicholas has that. Nicholas has been, like I said, he's been quite passionate about the team, about how he wants to lead the team in his strategy, in his plays, in his positions. So I think, like I said, we have great players. Now we just have to put them on the field and we just have to play football.
Right, absolutely. Last question. I think you have a question on the kit. They are taking,
Thank you so much.
There are interviews that are scheduled. I think you have put in your requests and accordingly they will be facilitated.